Hi, I'm Marna, and I have a small haul, and as I always say, open on camera. That way they can't say that you did something to it. If you have a problem, you have proof that it came wrong or came broken or whatever. I order from AliExpress a lot, and it's like putting money into a, oh, what do they call the slot machines, but what are they called? One-arm bandit. You don't know what you're going to get out. We're still fighting a Blythe doll that was $40, was 40-something dollars, because they sent the wrong one, and they were just like, yeah, not too bad. So now we have sent it back, and we are waiting. We're probably going to have to go to our credit card for help, but we sent it back. We'll see. Oh, I know what this is. This is for, oh, cork came out. This is for a belt at a Renaissance fair. You can carry lotions and potions or whatever you want. Yep, glass. Well, those are pretty cute. These sell for $25, $30 at the booths, and I told the guys, I said, you know, the guys being Darren and his oldest son, let's see if I can get those cheaper. And I did, and it's the same. So let's see what this is. Do you like those, Darren, or not?
That's cool. What kind of trouble can I get into with those?
Yeah. I bought some trim, and again, it's bigger than I thought. I wanted these for my Kinder Blythe. This is more 18-inch American Girl size. I can't say I'm thrilled. Let's put this back over here for the video. And what else did I get? I've got some more coming. You know, it just seems like AliExpress shows up in my, I'll cut this on the right side, in my mailbox all the time, which is a very good thing. Oh, I bought this for a doll I didn't buy. I'm glad it's here. Look, I didn't get that little container.
Oh, so sad.
Well, I'm wondering how the head is crushed down. It does still have the cotton in it, but it's just a pretty black wig. If you watch my channel, you will see that I might have bought more than one of these in the past. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Boy, this was a small haul. And subscribe.